Google recently launched this platform called Career Dreamer, which provides free digital skills training that are specific to people's field of study and also their careers. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to get started with this. I haven't used this before and this is my first time exploring it as well. So let's say I want to use this platform to grow my business. And what would you like to do? Let's say we've got learn AI skills, learn about digital marketing, understand my audience, selling online, expand internationally, increase productivity, keep your business safe online, learn coding and development skills, get started with cloud computing, champion diversity, and learn about sustainability. Okay, cool. So there's quite a wide range of things that you can do here. What I'm going to select in this case is, of course, learn AI skills. And let's click let's go. Okay, so as you can see here, we've got a couple of meetings that are taking place. They look to be online meetings, and I can see that one's actually taking place tomorrow, and this is about understanding machine learning. You can also boost your productivity with AI. There's another workshop, it seems, going on then. I think these are all being run by Google, which is pretty cool. So essentially, this just gives you access to a directory of learning resources that you can actually use to improve your career or your business. Now you can select and filter by topics as well over here, and you can select what type of learning resource you want. You can also decide whether you want to go for courses that provide you with a Google Career Certificate or other certificates, and also how long you want these courses to be. Now I think this is quite useful. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go into this AI Essentials. And as you can see, it's here on Coursera. There are almost 1 million people already enrolled. I can see that it starts today, right, which is the 2nd of March. And I can see exactly what I would need for this. So it's at a beginner level. The schedule is quite flexible, and 98% of learners say they like this course. Okay, cool. So what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to try and filter for the ones under an hour, and I'm going to get rid of this AI section here. So there's also the opportunity for one-to-one mentoring. So this seems like an interesting platform, just a good sort of directory of workshops that are online and also learning resources that can help you in your career journey. Let's say you were looking for something related to digital marketing as well. You can click a bunch of these on and start searching and going through these courses to actually help you improve in either your career or your business. This can be particularly useful. Let's say someone's looking for a job. I can just click on the job search and I can see exactly what sort of steps I can take in order to improve the chances of me getting the job that I want. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.